stabilize it once.
No, it's not really.
Oh. Okay. There we go. See, what let's do is and last year, this guy's on the operator kind of big
You want this half an hour?
dragon on the side of it.
Oh, look, it's starting already.
Oh, shoot out.
Really?
Cool, huh?
Yeah. So last year you were in Styles, right?
Oh, last year it was
No.
nasty. It was the best way to describe it. In fact, it was so bad. My house, one of the panels of window just started flooding in. It was, yeah, it was so bad. So bad. It was like, in fact, my daughter was we had a wedding reception in our house in Pleasanton. And people didn't leave the house. It was that stormy weekend.
Oh, we'll stay back.
It was just crazy. Just Senator pictures showing up.
You feel bad.
Now she won't feel bad, trust me.
Very good job. Micro. Oh, there it goes. That was nice.
Scott, that article was great.
Yeah.
That was an awesome article.
You know they're talking about Sean Knight.
I could tell.
Seriously?
That was actually fantastic article.
Oh, and Beth. She's here.
That's great.
Yeah, see, you're starting to work.
Yeah, when did you get that?
Just like this weekend, last weekend. I just put it together today.
I was gonna say, did you rent it? You bought it?
But it's only like 121. And it uses the,
So it's just quick.
yeah,
The
the
small ones.
1 pound chain. Little camping ones. Perfect.
I'm Maya. I met you.
Oh, okay,
Can you
Maya.
actually because we're going to take pictures of Maya and me.
Oh, this is amazing.
Right?
It is. So cute.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I knew it.
Oh, yeah. That's great.
Oh,
Oh, this is beyond amazing, John.
You never. Oh, did you? No, I said I couldn't go to.
Oh, I was going to say. Well, I'm
talking
on there.
I know, I'm just like, yeah, that's right. You've done a lot of white. And I'm white, so it really
Yeah.
blend on in.
I know, I was getting
I've never seen this work.
tonight.
They're moving.
Yeah, it's already started.
Oh, yeah.
It's really nice.
And you can plug this into the TV?
Yeah.
No? Tim, can you plug this into the TV?
Yeah.
This one, when you get home, you can do that.
Okay. So I'll take a picture. We'll get
Maybe.
Maya, so.
All right. 1, 2, 3. All right, we'll do a couple.
One more time.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
One more.
Cool.
Do we want the flash?
It has
Sometimes
to.
You know, I'm not
Because,
sure. Maybe
because
it's
when
too
you
much.
die, you need the
Sometimes you
flash.
don't.
Is this a
though.
camera or a
Yeah,
movie
let's try
camera?
it.
Is this
Let's
yours?
try it without. Yeah. Because I think sometimes.
Is this yours?
It's a school.
Got a
Oh, okay.
basis.
Right.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
did that
With that one there.
Let's try it without.
Oh.
Let me turn it off. Sometimes it works better without.
Wow.
Okay.
Pretty good picture.
Okay, Maya. We're gonna try it without the flash because it kind of has.
Alrighty.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
I don't know if can you
Cool.
keep. I don't know if you can keep it still enough without the flash.
I think so.
Oh, good.
Oh yeah, I think it's better without the flash.
Yeah, yeah.
Better
That looks
without the flash.
amazing.
Mhm. Thank you.
Oh, well, it's all in the model.
Yeah, I think it's better without the flash. Okay. So
Oh my
let's
God.
add it.
Oh, look how pretty that looks.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, look at the board. It's so amazing. Oh my God.
Very nice. I love how that sky
Oh
came
my
out.
God. Oh my. Wow, if it were yesterday.
Well, I don't know if I have the. "71 minutes."
So mostly they stay just over there. They didn't get out of the bed. They stay at the bed.
Oh, you gonna do it?
Just
They didn't go out.
71 minutes. Better turn it off.
Yeah. It's kind of cool how we got here before they turned all the lights on and they just watch them one by one. And
Yeah.
Are you videoing yet? Or?
Yeah. Just let it go from.
No, I almost have that same one.
Kind of. I can go back, zoom out.
No,
Maybe
not
I get a
quite.
little bit closer though, right?
Yeah. Actually, it's not that cold.
It's not too bad. Could be colder.
Yeah, the ocean kind of keeps it from being
Yeah.
as cold as where I live. Pleasanton.
Yeah. It was 27 the other night when I got up in Visalia.
Wow. One year they had a flamethrower going off the front of the boat.
Huh.
It was pretty cool.
I bet it was.
It was like,
That would be neat.
oh yeah, I see this boat with all the stars. That was parked right in front
It
of
was
us.
right here. We watched it fire up and take off. But we've gotten some of the same boats a couple of times. I wonder if any others are going to move about. This is picking up more on the camera than he's showing.
It's hearing everything we say, right?
Oh, yes, it is.
So I better not give you any classified information.
Not yet, because it's not in the actual. Oh, it has started. Hey, John. How are you? I walked from Los Gatos. I might as well have. Forbes and Vaughn. Do you even know where those streets are? Forbes and Vaughn. Hi, I'm usually Brian.
Michelle, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Are you an engineer also? Oh, it's a, you're a teacher. You're the good guys. I understand that. Oh, look. This is beautiful. No, oh, look at the well. I watched for the October Art Parade, so
Okay, this March today, right? They're in Animal.
It's okay. You gave them something to look at.
these make life so much easier.
They go in and out.
Yeah, she's gonna say they make a circle. Yeah.
They go through about then coming back. They go this way.
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
This one look like whale. Yeah, the whale.
Very nice.
That's the whale.
Oh, yeah, the whale.
The whale.
Oh, yeah.
With the
Yeah,
green
yeah.
one there, with the eye, with the humpback.
Nice.
Am I missing it? I couldn't see.
That one right there, the whale. Yeah, like the whale here. The green.
The green, yeah. They're having fun.
Yeah.
What's that one supposed to be?
Tim should have on a beanie.
I know.
think.
He doesn't wear
You think?
He used to. Oh, look, there it comes. It's really big, yeah.
Pretty one.
I thought we were going to rain. I really did.
It was a fast-moving storm.
I know.
Wow, lucky. It's not like the weather, not like last night. Last
think
night
it's-
was so bad.
Really?
Over
See,
here.
and we didn't
We don't know.
get anything. I guess in the middle of the night there was a downpour and that was
Yeah,
it.
yeah, last night.
It started about 5 over here, like right when we got into town, like right
It
after
starts
5.
sprinkle a little
Yeah.
bit and heavier later on, and it keep moving some.
Pretty.
Other fellow, who's
Very nice.
So good. She made this simple
Look
syrup
at what
fresh
this one.
orange juice.
Hey,
And I
look
brought
what this one looks
sparkling
like on
water
the.
when you
We
mix
missed
it
it.
together.
Amazing. Try which one, Tim?
You missed it.
What did I miss? You have it on some, so.
Yeah. The one that's blue.
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
It shows up differently than that on the
Oh,
camera.
it does.
Yeah. It shows a loop-de-loop-de-loop-de-loop.
And they turn around, yeah. Tim, you want a stuffed mushroom? They're ready. Crab
get
stuffed
some.
mushroom.
No.
It'll come back around.
So you hear a low?
I can't touch it. I find myself. I don't know.
You're not doddering, believe me.
Yeah.
I have a 95-year-old father who's okay. I'm just loving this. Look at this. I just love this.
What you talking about?
I actually grew up there. My parents moved to Monterrey when I was in 3rd grade. And so basically grew up there, left when I got married, came back about 10 years later. Bought a house where my parents was in, oh yeah, I like that one. East side, so we're between Shannon and Kennedy.
Oh, yeah.
They had bought it as a rental house in 1979.
It does match your sweater. She's talking. She's talking.
Big batteries. Little batteries. I sell cells. Like Susie sells seashells, I sell battery cells. So they're little batteries, but then they have that goes into the car.
Take these pictures and
It's several thousand batteries.
Oh, okay.
Melina doesn't care.
I know, we just shouldn't really care about
I know, I didn't talk to her much.
I like the star on. Yeah, are you taking a picture of the star too?
Trying to.
Yeah, take it.
How do you zoom in with this?
Well, you can just take it and we can fix it later. We can zoom later. Just take it first.
Oh, he's out. I can't see him anymore.
No, he's coming right there. Right there. Right there. Here. I'll do it. Here. Let me do it.
You gotta wait until he gets in the shot in the open zone.
Okay, this is gonna be.
You can run a video with it if you want.
Yeah, you leave it on that good.
So my battery pack goes down.
Yeah, it's on. Now I can cut it off with.
Oh, here comes the well. Here comes the well.
So then when your battery
Then the well.
Uh-huh.
eventually you've got that battery on.
Is that exactly where the well goes?
Doesn't matter what they're
Go past in front of it here in a minute.
give you a new battery if you pay today's prices for it. So that's one thing.
I think you got it.
I think they're expected to last about 10 years.
Here it comes.
And that's
Yeah,
when
the well.
batteries will last.
Yeah, the well just about passing your camera.
Yep.
Oh, here comes the well.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah, you got the well.
Good.
The green well, not the blue well.
Where's the blue one?
I don't know.
Just because of gas situation, they are very, very fast. You know, as a market company, I think he kind of likes what fast is. Well, I think there's
I got the star.
Did you?
It's the well. I got the well.
Did it come out?
Yeah,
Oh, you missed it.
well, it'll come. We'll get it when it comes back. Right here. When it comes back, we'll get it. Okay.
Okay. I'm never taking one picture. The only day ones I've done was with you a couple times.
Wow, nice.
The blue one?
It's not yet. This one will come in
Yeah, I'm
fast.
gonna get it when it comes here.
Yeah. They're just about to soon. Mhm. But they're flashing. Sometimes you see the blue, purple, and sometimes you don't. Soon. Here they come.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it right now.
Here they come. Just about to move into the picture now. Yeah.
I can tell. I can tell by your accent.
Is this building the not in the way? You don't see much. Did you angle this way or angle that way?
It's right there on that one.
Yeah. Okay.
See, that's the blue one right there now.
Okay. All right. Okay. You're just about the top of that building, that
Right,
little
uh-huh.
building. Okay.
I don't know how much.
But in New England, it's a big.
Actually, I got it.
That's too bad. And we got that in points, I'm sorry. Yeah, there's like
I mean, that's the downside. And this side is obviously,
which is really nice.
which is nice.
But the downside is it means you
Although
Yeah, I got nice.
Are you better than that?
5 nights, you get like 10,000.
Well, you can zoom in. There.
The star.
There's a star in there.
Okay.
Where?
Right there.
I wanted it by itself.
Here's the whale.
Not behind everything.
Yeah.
Did you get it when it by itself?
Well, I have to wait till it comes
We have
back.
to wait until
Can
it's
you
right
get
in that
it
little
just
bay right there.
Yeah.
big one
Yeah,
by
when it
itself?
comes back, we can do it.
Go ahead, take your
Don't
spot.
get about 4 or 5.
Yeah, I'll
It
do
just
it when
been
it.
one.
Enough room for everyone.
Yeah. New stuff. All right. Yeah, I'll be right there. Let me get the star. Beautiful. Oh yeah.
It's much nicer this year.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, then compared to last year.
So nobody really, they shut down real quick. This year it's just kind of nicer.
Yeah. What happened last year?
Yeah, I mean, so it was like everybody kind of, and then the lights were just on. And no one got walking around. It's crisp and cold.
How are you, man?
I thought it would be cold.
Hey, I
I
met
expected it to
your-
be cold.
It's cold this week.
Oh yeah.
It's just
I think it's supposed to be a low of 20 here tonight.
Are you guys
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, the crabs are in. I'm looking at John's on still. Like a take me off the list.
I'm a sister. I'm a sister.
I tell him when I go down with Chris, I go, Frank, don't you see? I said, you can't see it in me, and I'm just a little. I said, no, somebody else runs the list for me. And I said, Chris, don't you think Chris looks Portuguese? He goes, yeah, I see it.
Well, you know, I talked to him today, and he says, well, you know, Steve, the guys from and I go, they must be Asian. He goes, no, they're Portuguese brothers. Oh, okay. So,
How many does he have?
this what?
I didn't know he had any today.
I'm
so glad, Joe. The mushrooms,
The mushrooms are great. Yeah,
the
those
mushrooms
are
Are.
oh, they're yummy. They're yummy.
It was the end of the, and I bone it, you know,
Show and yeah, show and so what do you just
those flat soap fuses quickly, the machine ones. Yeah. I told him when he goes, because he takes his crabs with him to Portugal. That baked brie is amazing.
It is, huh?
I said, you should borrow my machine.
they're not frozen. They're just,
I don't know. I turned it into a square.
So it seals it. He says it doesn't bother.
I don't know what
like
you
a
did.
sugar water bath. And he said it just seals it a little bit.
my photo.
For all the extra work it wasn't worth it. You know? And so he takes some frozen, he puts them in, I think he puts them in dry ice, and he does all these styrofoam chests, and he wraps it a bunch of times, and in such bags. And I said, did you check them? He goes, you check
Tuesday, you
them.
guys are probably
And he goes,
hey,
they
Frank,
do.
what about
They
me?
do. They do. They go, oh, gee, it'd be really ashamed if these got lost. Yeah, exactly. Right, he's going, I'm surprised he doesn't. He's like, I'm missing one. Right, exactly. There was one in a bag.
And the full jar of peanut butter is better than the mostly empty jar of peanut butter.
That one right there.
It's coming
The
right.
dog will just flash on and off.
Is that light one?
Yeah.
The one after this one, right? Huh?
The unwelcome
You just
back,
missed it.
they're spoiled.
Well, I asked you which one I got. It's coming right now.
No, that was not it.
guy said, "Oh, it's really nice." And I'm sleeping. So,
Have to wait until it turns back around now.
Most of our they better waited our place and they're down in my studio. This is when we got home and felt the word.
Well, he had opened the door outside. The bear was inside at that point.
It was.
Oh, he came home on the bear?
So Donovan came in and he said,
Oh,
That's a little better than the little first that you felt.
Turn
Yes.
it off.
good exercise, not enough to win. So for was it pretty much a definite shot?
Take that as a no.
You gotta go down, you know?
It's coming.
Oh, it's up there.
It's coming.
Not yet.
Almost. It's almost there.
Was this one where your luggage miraculously showed up?
Oh no, it's going to be blocked by that other boat.
Not yet.
Nice.
It won't be blocked.
Oh, that's cool. That's very cool.
See?
And you're on your own.
And you're on your own. You're totally on your own. Because we get lost, you're lost. And so that was a
Not yet.
I'm going to get it right now.
Okay, there's a good one.
What, 1945? Yeah.
Right here. It's going to come right now.
That's
Almost.
nice. That's
You're going to be too late if you don't get it now.
You know, it's just like,
Too late.
No, it's not. That's good right there.
Yeah.
oh yeah, there's no romance recorded German.
Okay.
But they must speak German to you.
We got it.
Here comes the whale again.
Okay.
What's good today? Yeah, I'll have that.
Oh yeah, the whale's coming. I'm going to get the whale.
Germany a few times trying to look up things in my dictionary, and this guy goes, "Can I help you?" Look, I want to try to do it. Let me try to do it. And then after a while, I'm like, "No, no."
There's no reference point if you only have romance languages. I mean, whereas you look at Italian and French and Spanish.
The whale's.
Yep.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
It's different, but a lot of words, if you say
Oh,
them
yeah.
several times, they start to make sense.
After a couple of beers.
After a couple of beers, yeah.
Yeah, well, my husband.
Yeah, I love beer.
Okay.
We have very good beer over there.
I took a lot of pictures, but we're gonna go through and we're gonna delete the ones we don't want. But you just have to kind of take them first. And then you decide which ones you're gonna keep later. Okay. Okay. Here. I'm gonna go inside those.
Well, in some spots in
Alabama, am I in a sorority?
yeah. Well, in some places, if you're closer to the business centers in Japan, then it's in the Romanji, I think they call it, as opposed to kanji, which is the characters.